Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to hold the transaction data in goods movement screen. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to fill the data. Here I'm going to post the initial stock upload. Here I entered all the data. Now I'm going to click on check option. When I click on the check option, system showing these materials are flagged for deletion. In this case, I don't want to post this transaction data. If I come out from this window, I lose this data. Temporarily, I can hold this data by clicking on the hold option. Just click on the hold option. Now click on the right mark. Remarks system picks automatically. If you want this transaction data for long time, you can select the reference indicator here. In this case, I don't want to select this reference indicator. Now click on right mark. Now I temporarily hold this data. Once I remove that deletion indicator from the material master, I will repost it again. I removed the deletion indicator for material master. Now I am posting this document again. Just double click on this whole data. System automatically fills the all transaction data. Now click on check option, click on post. That's it today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.